Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by make-cash.biz, the site which brings you lots of ways to make money online and offline. In this video I'm just going to speak to you briefly about how you can make money by parking a domain name. A domain name, if you don't know, is the URL that you would type into a browser to get to any website. So this is our URL. Some of the common ones is like google.com, that sort of thing. And you can register any URL that isn't taken with a host such as name.com, and generally all the shorter domains and all your words in the dictionary will already be taken, but if you can find one and you can then host a website on it, before you actually do that you can register to put adverts, which is what domain parking is. So it's essentially just those URLs that you might come across on the internet where there's no website there, but there'll be a few short descriptions or links to other sites, and that is where the owner of that domain will take a percentage or a small fee every time you click on one of those adverts on their domain. Now, if you can't find a domain name that hasn't been taken already, and generally there will be no traffic to new domain names, if you just go to a host such as this name.com and register a domain name, whatever it may be, maybe let's just say it's your name.com on the end, no one's going to be typing that into a browser, and if they were, they'd probably already registered it a long time ago. So a better bet if you want to make money from domain parking is to go to a marketplace such as Sedo. Sedo is one of the largest online domain marketplaces where you can buy domain names, websites, and they actually run their own parking service. So here you can see they're actually selling these domain names at the moment. You can also sell your domain name on this site, so it's a really good site to get registered with and look at existing domain names, or even potentially sell your own domain name. And that's all it is registering a domain name basically, or purchasing a domain, and then using generally a company such as Sedo to place adverts on your domain name. And you're not going to make a fortune with this unless you manage to get hold of a domain with a significant amount of traffic, but it's a good way to make some extra cash from your domain name while you're planning or building a website for it, or holding it to sell it later on. So that's it. It's a pretty straightforward way to make a bit of passive income.